Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Christmas tree squishmallow. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the fur on the hat. Let's start with the bumpy line on the left and angle it up to the right. Then from both ends, let's continue the bumpy line up. And the same thing across the top. And when you're done, you should end up with a bumpy rectangle on an angle. Now before we continue the hat, let's move down and draw the shape of the body. Let's start underneath on the left side and let's draw a curve down and curve it in. And the same thing on the right. And then connect them with a curve across the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move back up and finish drawing the hat. On the top left, let's draw a curve up, and then a curve out. Then hop over to the right side and let's draw a long curve over to the left, and then bring it down. And then curve it back in at the end. Now at the bottom, let's add the pom-pom by drawing a bumpy circle all the way around. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move in and let's start drawing the face. Let's start at the top in the center and let's draw a curved line for the mouth. And then a circle on both sides for the eyes. And then color both of them in black. Now that we're done the face, let's start adding the details to the body. Let's start on top in the center under the hat and let's draw a wavy line up. Then continue it over to the right by dipping it down and back up. And then underneath, let's follow that same wavy line. Now let's move down under the face and let's draw a curved V shape underneath in the center. And then a wavy line out from both sides. And now let's follow that same wavy line underneath. And now let's do the same thing across the bottom. Next, let's add the ornaments. Let's start inside on the top left and let's draw two curves like this, forming a pointed oval shape. Then let's draw V-shaped points out from both sides, and then another one from each of the four corners. Now let's hop over on the right side and let's draw another star shape in the same way. And one more below on the right. Next, on top of this one, let's draw an angled oval, and then a curve on the left and on the right to form a circle shape behind. Now let's move into the center and let's do the same thing. and then one more on the top left over here. And lastly, let's add a few circles. And that's it for this cute Christmas tree squishmallow. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!